I'm Monica Jackaman, and I teach the herbology classes at Setsuko. I promote what I call Eco-Herbalism, meaning that we use the abundance of what's growing around us. Students are out with the plants, knowing how they taste, knowing how they smell and how they feel, and how they change over the growing season. And just play with the herbs and create tinctures and honeys and syrups and glycerites. So that hands-on piece is usually what the students enjoy the most. And then of course they get more into the theory of it, of course the actions of the plants, the energetics of the plants, and how they affect the different tissues and different organs and systems of the body. They come out, they have a Community Herbalist Certificate that allows them to practice with friends, family, community. I think it's a very rich program, and I've really been honored to be a part of it.